Hi guys! Bisitahin naman natin ang Hohenwerfen Castle sa Austria. 900 years old na siya from 11th century, 1175 to 1178. May madilim na nakaraan pero maliwanag na kasalukuyan. Kung akala mo ang buhay mo lang may controversy, aba, nagkakamali ka. Hohenwerfen Castle was constructed during investiture controversy. Ito yung conflict between the medieval church and the state. Sige, marites ko na nga sa inyo. Ito yung mga panahon na may hidwaan sa pagitan ng simbahan at estado. Kung sino ba dapat ang may karapatang magluklok sa bishop, sa abbots at sa pope. Kaya noong 11th century hanggang 12th century, they undercut the power of the Holy Roman Emperor and the other European monarchies. Nako, masalimuot ang issue nila guys. At tumugal ang hidwaan ng 50 years. Alam ko, ito yung mga panahon na nagkaroon ng dalawang pope. Isang pinili ng Holy Roman Emperor at yung isa ay pinili naman ng mga monarchs. Kasi masalimuot talaga ang issue nila guys, kaya nakaka-stress. So balikan natin ang Hohenwerfen Castle. Muli siyang lumabas sa kasaysayan ng 16th century. During Peasant War, this movement was basically a rebellion led by farmers and miners who wanted to stop the barbarian, radical implementation of the Catholic faith. While migrating to Upper Austria, these peasants or rebellion faced resistance by the archbishop who exploited the castle to fight the peasants. Ang kastilyo ay naging kulungan at nakilala ito sa hindi makataong pagtorture. Inatake at sinunog ito ng mga rebellion pero hindi sila nagtagumpay. Natalo sila at bilang parusa, kailangan nilang tumulong sa reconstruction ng kastilyo. Madiliman ang naging kasaysayan pero may liwanag na aral na pwede nating matutunan. So yun lang guys, and sending this post blog to those person who don't have courage to go there. Ciao ciao, adios, tschüss, Leute.